Here's a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This Silverado is never shy about flexing its solid steel muscle. You'll be anxious to put it to work. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, mirror mounted spotlights, shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Kelley Blue Book explains whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.